Hello everyone. In this video I will tell you more than one way to get area of a shape in AutoCAD. But before we start, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe and hit the ring button to get notified when we upload a new video. And now, let's start. If you have a shape like this one on the screen and you want to calculate the area of the total shape by subtracting the area in the center. First, I can use area command in AutoCAD. I will write area, then I will click enter. And I will check the command line. The command line here in the command asking me to either add area or subtract area. First, I will use subtract area. So I will click S, enter. Then I have two options. I click the points or I select the whole object one time. So I will click object and I will click the object and then I will click enter. The command didn't finish. I can add the outer area. So I will click add area. By two options also, I can choose the points or I can select the object. I will use the object because it's easier. So I will click the outer object, then I will click enter. And as you can see on the screen here, starting from 404265, this is our target area. After subtracting the area in the center, I will click another enter. And if I want to get this area again, I will just click Ctrl F2 and the area will appear here, as you can see. The second way to get the area by using the hatch command. From the hatch, we can get the area. I will write hatch. Then I will choose the area that I want to hatch. Then I will click enter. When you select the hatch, you will find in the properties window the area that you want. The last way that I know that you can download Lisp file from the internet, and this Lisp file will have so many different ways to get the area of an object. The Lisp file that I downloaded from the internet, I will use it in front of you now, and I will put it also in the description below. To run the Lisp, I will click T area. Then I will select the objects, and I will click enter. Here is the area I got by using the Lisp. But take care that this is the total area of the two objects. As I told you, you will find on the internet more than one Lisp getting the area. There is one Lisp I saw also that you select the area and it will put it in a format like a table. That area 1 by text, this is the area 2 by text, area 3 like that. So you will find more. And if you don't know how to upload the Lisp file in the AutoCAD, on the screen now, a link will appear on a video that I shared before, how to upload Lisp file in AutoCAD. And I will put it also in the description below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Only if you like the video, press like, subscribe, and if you didn't like the video, write in the comment section what you didn't like so we can adjust it in the upcoming videos. Also, if you know another way to get area in AutoCAD, write it in the comment section so we can all benefit from it. Thank you.